You've been asking to see the lemon house, and here it is. We affectionately call it the lemon house because there's lemon trees in the backyard. Yes, there's a backyard with this house, and that's basically why I bought it. The garage to the left of the front door was converted into a barber shop, and it's being rented out now. This property will be a rental home, perfect for families with kids or pets. Here is the entry for street level, and there's a nice arch there. I think it's about a 5-foot wide hallway. That door will come off because it goes straight through. Here's the living room. Right before the door in the stairway is going to be another door where there'll be bathroom access, and I'll explain that in just a minute. But those doors will come off so you can then have a straight through to this room. This room with the weird funky wood paneling that reminds me of Beetlejuice will all be removed, and it used to be a dining room, but we're not going to make it that way because it's just going to be kind of a pass through. So to the right we'll have 2 chairs and a table, like comfy chairs, and then that will change into bookshelves with like a little mini library, and then kind of a beverage cart, like a booze cart, will be in there. So it'll be a nice pass through to the kitchen. The kitchen, that back wall will be where the farmhouse sink and big, huge, countertop. And then we'll have upper shelving and an island right there. Now, all the furniture you see in here is out of the house now. They took it with them. This was filmed before it closed. I'll show you outside in just a second. This is the dining room area. The back bathroom here is going to be walled off because behind this bathroom is the garage that was converted into a barber shop, and the barber shop's bathroom butts up to this one. So we will combine those 2 bathrooms, and then it will have access from the living room that you saw earlier, because who wants a bathroom off the dining room? That's just nasty and not good for the flow. And the barbershop will change into a garage. So this, I can wiggle and it almost comes off. So it'll be totally off, nice and open area here. Backyard. Up about a half a flight, that flat area is going to have a long table. That used to be a chicken coop, but that'll be gone. A long table, the lemon trees will go over it, over a ramada kind of thing, and that will be a barbecue area. It goes pretty far back there, the greenery. Okay, so upstairs, you went up the stairs to the right, and now this is the bedroom. It has access to the terrace, and it has high ceilings. So this will remain a bedroom with a nice outdoor access. The next room is a yellow room that is a pass-through to this one, and we're thinking of to the left of the door to have twin bunk beds there, and then right here where the dresser is will be a desk area so people can work from remotely or what have you. Now, this has the wider patio balcony off of it. It does wrap around to the other room, so it's a shared balcony, but it is the wider part on that side. Now we're on the other side of the stairs. So when you come up the stairs and you go left, it's this side. Those are stairs up to the attic. This is going to be changed into a bedroom, and that room will also be a bedroom. This is the only full-size bathroom currently in the house and the only one on this floor. There will be a wall right there. So I'll show you when we come out of the bathroom. But here's the bathroom. We'll change out the fixtures, change out the bathtub, and make it a big shower, perhaps shower bath, but definitely shower. And so when you're looking through that, the wall would be to the right to block that bedroom and give access upstairs. And then the wall would be right here so that you can come up the stairs and kind of go down the hall. This bedroom will have access right there to a balcony. So all the bedrooms have outdoor access because the other bedroom has a front door access, but we'll probably close that off. Okay, up the stairs to the attic. Clearly it's rough because there is debris flying around. As also you get a hit from the hall or the stairway. Okay, here is where the master bedroom's going to be. There'll be a walkway over the stairs part so you can go into the other side, which will be the master bathroom. That hole right there will be the storage and the water tanks. So those water tanks are going to move over to the left, and this will be the master bathroom with a closet. And you'll access it by crossing the stairs over near the hole. Here, the French doors open to this patio, which is that tank will be gone too because we're moving the tanks. Here you go. So we'll look down. That's where the twin bedroom was with the yellow room. It has a bigger patio, wraps around to the other side entrance or door for the balcony, and then you can see the patio down there. That goes back pretty far, like 3 house lengths go back. So once it's groomed, it's going to look terrific. And here's the view. But this is going to be a pretty cool place in the summer, winter, whatever, to have coffee and come and take a look at the view. It's rare to have outdoor space in town, so this is quite. It's going to be amazing, and we'll have a lot of barbecues and no doubt many neighbors to come over.